Hello lovely knitters, I'm Merion from Love Crafts. We've had so many questions from our knitters about how to fix common mistakes. So here's a little video to help you learn how to fix them. Let's get started. Let's have a look at how to fix a dropped stitch. Now this happens to everybody. You could be talking, you can just not be looking at your knitting, you can suddenly realise you've dropped a stitch, and how do you fix it? The knitter's best friend is a crochet hook. So here is the problem. We've got our stitch down here and what looks like a ladder in your knitting. So these are the rows that we've dropped down. There's 1, 2, 3 rows. The stitch has dropped down 3 rows. So what we need to do is to, instead of frogging it all the way back to here, we're going to use our trusty crochet hook to pull the yarn back through this stitch to bring it right up to the top again. So I'm going to put my crochet hook through the stitch like that, and then using the little hook on the end, pull the first strand of the ladder through the stitch. So there it is, that's the first one. Now we've got 2 more rungs of this little ladder to fix, so I'm going to put my hook through with the hook, the actual hooky part facing down, hook up that little strand of the ladder underneath and pull it through again. So here it is. We've got our little stitch. It's a little bit twisty, but that's okay. I'm going to put my hook back in again through all the strands of that yarn. And now you can see we've only got 1 ladder to fix. So we're just going to use the hook of the crochet hook there, the little end, to hook round, and then I'm going to pull it through the stitch. I'm going to pop the stitch back onto the needle there, and you can see that that is fixed nicely on there, so you're able to now go and knit. There we go. I'm going to knit over it and carry on the row. So it's fixed, and that's how you pick up a drop stitch.